Wow, the results are ready and they look really impressive. From just one product photo and a few product details, BeePOP has generated 20 plus different Amazon-ready images in only a few minutes. What if one product photo was all you needed to create an entire Amazon listing in just a few minutes? No complicated prompts, no endless design revisions, just upload your product, let AI do the heavy lifting, and get Amazon-ready visuals faster. Today we're taking a look at BeePOP to see how it works and whether it's the right tool for Amazon sellers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Digital Product Hustle. On this channel we review the latest AI tools and software to help you save time and grow your online business. In this video, I'll walk you through BeePOP, explore its key features, and show you how it helps turn one product photo into a complete set of Amazon listing visuals. So let's get started. Creating a great Amazon listing takes much more than just one product photo. BeePOP helps generate Amazon-ready visuals from a single image, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. So, what exactly is BeePOP? BeePOP is an AI-powered content pipeline created specifically for Amazon sellers and global e-commerce teams. Instead of asking you to learn complicated AI prompts or create every image manually, BeePOP focuses on your product and your Amazon listing workflow. The idea is simple. You begin with one complete product photo. After adding some basic information about the product, BeePOP uses AI to generate a complete collection of listing-ready visual assets. The important point here is that BeePOP isn't presented as a general AI art tool or a photo editing app for everyone. It is designed around the specific needs of Amazon listings. That means the generated visuals are intended to support product pages rather than create artistic or entertainment images. For businesses launching products regularly, that focused workflow could help simplify content production and reduce the amount of manual design work needed before a listing goes live. This is the BeePOP dashboard. Simply upload your product photo, add a brief product description, and select your target marketplace. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and BeePOP will begin creating your Amazon-ready listing visuals. Now, let's see how BeePOP actually works. For this demo, I've picked a random baby stroller product from Amazon. I'll upload the main product image, then copy the product's top highlights, features, and specifications directly into the description box. You'll also notice two generation options, Auto and Advanced. Auto is ideal for quickly generating content for a single product, while Advanced is better for products with accessories or multiple angles. Since I'm only using one product image, I'll choose Auto. Everything is set, so let's click Generate and see what BeePOP creates in just a few minutes. Now BeePOP is processing the product. As you can see, BeePOP is analyzing the uploaded product, identifying the main subject, and preparing it for the next stage of image generation. This only takes a few moments, so let's wait for the processing to finish and then see the final results. Now BeePOP has finished analyzing the uploaded image. As you can see, it has successfully detected the main product and created a clean cutout. If your product has accessories or additional items that weren't detected, you can easily add them using the Add an Extra Item option. Since my baby stroller was recognized correctly, I'll simply click Continue to move on to the next step. Great! BeePOP is now analyzing our request and preparing the product for image generation. The AI is understanding the product details and planning the best Amazon-ready visuals. This process only takes a short time, so let's wait for it to finish and check out the results. Wow, the results are ready and they look really impressive. From just one product photo and a few product details, BeePOP has generated 20 plus different Amazon-ready images in only a few minutes. As you can see, it's created a variety of visuals, including product-in-use images, lifestyle scenes, feature benefit graphics, promotional banners, and A+ content. Instead of creating each design from scratch, BeePOP automatically builds a complete set of visuals that match the product. What I really like is that these aren't just attractive AI images, they're structured for Amazon product listings. The layouts, text placement, and presentation are designed to help showcase the product clearly and professionally. The workflow is also incredibly simple. I didn't need to write complicated prompts or spend time editing every image. I just uploaded one product photo, added the product information, and BeePOP handled the rest. If you're an Amazon seller managing multiple products, this kind of workflow could save a significant amount of time while making it much easier to create consistent listing-ready content and A+ content for your products. Overall, it's a fast, simple, and Amazon-focused solution that really stands out. And that's not all. BeePOP also supports multi-local image generation, making it perfect for sellers who sell in different countries. It currently supports 19 market language combinations across major global marketplaces. Instead of creating new images from scratch for every region, you can simply choose your target market and generate localized versions of the same product image set in one workflow. This can save a lot of time while helping you prepare listings for multiple marketplaces much more efficiently. And if you're still not completely satisfied with the results, simply click Keep Creating to generate more creative variations. It gives you more options without having to redesign everything from the beginning, making the entire content creation process even faster and easier. So, who is BeePOP built for? It's an excellent solution for Amazon sellers, e-commerce agencies, freelance creative teams, multi-SKU brands, global e-commerce businesses, and even manufacturers expanding into online retail. If you regularly launch new products, refresh existing listings, manage seasonal campaigns, or handle large product catalogs, BeePOP can make your workflow much faster and more efficient. Finally, let's take a quick look at the pricing. BeePOP offers flexible plans for individuals, growing brands, and larger e-commerce teams. To compare all the available plans and pricing, check the official BeePOP link in the description below. The biggest takeaway is that BeePOP isn't just another AI image generator. It's an AI content platform built specifically for Amazon sellers. With just one product photo, it can generate a complete set of Amazon listing-ready visuals, including lifestyle images, feature graphics, product and use images, and A+ content. This helps reduce content production time, lower creative costs, and get products ready for launch much faster. For anyone selling on Amazon, that makes BeePOP a practical solution for sellers who want to create listing content faster while reducing creative workload. Overall, BeePOP offers a simple and efficient way to turn a single product photo into a complete set of Amazon listing visuals. If you'd like to try BeePOP yourself, you'll find the official link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tools, software reviews, and digital product tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.